Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to see our future videos. Hello everyone, this is Ranger Rob and welcome to the Ranger Rob Country Living channel. This is our Saturday. I thought let's just see the propagator here. It's going crazy. I got a little bok choy. I got a little bit of everything growing on here. My problem is clearing out what's on the floating rafts to get this moved out there. So I've literally, in a couple of the cases, just harvested right off of this and didn't go out to the floating rafts. But today's actually been a really fun day because we're harvesting like crazy. We got over 8 pounds of tomatoes. We got quite a bit of banana peppers, which we're pickling right now. I'm going to take you into the kitchen in a minute. We got zucchini. And so today I thought I'd try something new. We've been watching people make zucchini chips and tomato chips with dehydrator. Not a freeze dryer, but a dehydrator. So I'm going to show you what I'm making right now. And yeah, it's been kind of a gray, actually a little rainy day here, but it's still hot and muggy. And that's really kind of not the norm for Central Oregon, but let's go in the kitchen. So the high command is in the kitchen, Sherry, and she's getting ready to pickle banana peppers, which we cut up already and took the seeds out of. And so we're going to attempt to make this is the first time we've actually pickled banana peppers, which is kind of exciting. And this is the tomatoes we got today, and I actually processed a bunch of tomatoes already in the refrigerator, so we didn't even touch that pile. But I thought I'd give you a sneak peek in my dehydrator of what I'm making. So in here I'm making tomato chips, and we seasoned them with Italian seasoning and salt and pepper. And here is zucchini, and these won't be done till tomorrow. And we used ranch powdered mix, or ranch powdered seasoning. And actually, I'm actually experimenting a little bit and put some, you know how it is, bacon's good. So I put bacon bits on some of them just to see what they taste like. So we're kind of excited to see how the chips come out. I've never done tomato chips before. And we've been using this dryer for quite a while. I bought it at Cabela's, and I like it because it's got a nice temperature control. It's been a really good dehydrator for us. And so yeah, lots of cooking going on, a lot of processing. We're going to use the regular pickling, oh I sneezed, but we're actually adding turmeric to our batch. So that's what you already did, didn't it? Yep. Turmeric in there, and it gives it a nice yellow brine, and that's supposed to be that much healthier for you. So, and also Sherry just got done processing 48 eggs for the freeze dryer, and because we're getting over inundated with eggs like crazy. So definitely a cooking day for the banana peppers. I know we're putting garlic in each one, pickling, salt, not very much.
Well, it's vinegar.
3
cups vinegar.
3 cups of vinegar is what we use.
2 cups water.
2 cups water.
1.5 tablespoons pickling salt.
1.5 tablespoons of pickling salt.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
And a half teaspoon of turmeric.
And that only a half a teaspoon of turmeric. And that's the recipe we're using for these. So we'll let you know how well the and then when you make them, they say you got to actually wait like 10 days or better.
Anything you pickle, you wait.
Yeah, so we won't be able to try them right away unless we just get impatient. And we'll probably get impatient. But yeah, this is definitely a Saturday cooking day, which is kind of nice because it's kind of gray and gloomy outside. So it just feels like a good day to do this. But yeah, so we're going to be eating good. So we're going to fill these jars up as full as we can. And then super tight. work the air out of them, put the brine in, and seal them up, and then you're gonna push. What kind of cooking is it?
It's a water bath.
It's a water bath. And so yeah, what we're trying to figure out is how many jars worth we have here.
I'm thinking 3.
Maybe 3, possibly 4, but like I said, you're supposed to pack them really tight, so we'll see. But yeah, looking forward to pickled banana peppers. Well, Sherry just got the brine added to our 3 jars. It's going to be 3 jars. And just clean the lid, top of the rims, and now she's just putting the lids on them. And those look really good. It really smells good too. So yeah, we're looking forward to those. Good job, Mom. Oh, okay, guys. So today's been a great harvest day. And I guess, you know, when you do all the work you can on your gardens and stuff, it's definitely a lot of work. But being preppers too, just means we're putting away more food. Like I said, we're also freeze drying some more eggs. We, like I said, freeze dry about 48 eggs a week. And anyway, we are going to freeze dry a lot of our onions. Super nice to have for cooking. And those are the kind of things you'll miss if things get really tough. So the point to the whole thing here is we're just now learning to can and freeze dry and dehydrate. We've been doing that off and on, and it's really allowing us to preserve a lot of food. And that's the point to this channel, is to get out there and start trying. This is our real first year with gardens and stuff like that. Although we've had gardens in the past, but not at this magnitude. And to see the harvest coming in from the tomatoes is truly amazing. There's probably another 5 to 7 tomatoes that we got to harvest tomorrow. Yeah, it's just so good to see everything happening and actually having success. I've had plenty of failures, I'm sure you have too. And I'm really looking forward to trying this new bok choy and finding the ways to cook with it and soups and stuff. It's a beautiful plant. Yeah, so it's the first time I've ever grown it. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed today. Today's been a day for preserving food. So, you know, it's one thing to grow all this stuff. It's another thing to utilize it and not let it go to waste. And if we do have anything that we can't process or can't eat at all, we have our chickens in our compost bin, so nothing will go to waste. So what a great day. So guys, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you later. Bye now.
This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.